A turbulent real estate market can seem intimidating, right? Prices are up, down, sideways. It's enough to make your head spin. But here's the thing, these types of markets are full of opportunity if you know where to look. My name is Stephen Gage, President of Vision Commercial Development, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn this market chaos into a lucrative opportunity. Let's get started. The current U.S. housing market is a mixed bag of question marks. While there are signs of stabilization compared to the chaos of recent years, the market remains turbulent. Home prices are still climbing, but the pace has definitely slowed down, with experts predicting about a 2.9% increase for the year. It's not the skyrocketing growth that we saw a couple years ago, but hey, growth is growth. On the opposite side, inventory is making a comeback. There are 11.7% more homes on the market compared to last year, giving buyers more options and creating new opportunities for investors. Existing home sales are starting to bounce back as well, with projections suggesting around 4.11 million homes will be sold in 2025. That's a slight rise, which is a positive sign. But despite these trends, affordability is still a huge issue. Mortgage rates are sticking around the 6 to 7% mark, and while rates might trickle down a bit later in the year, they're still making it tough for many buyers to get into the market. All right, so why is the market acting this crazy? There's a number of factors shaking things up right now. First off, regional differences are massive. While some markets are booming, think places like Florida, others like Austin are hitting the brakes. In Austin, for example, prices have dipped about 3.8%, while New York is seeing increases closer to 4.2%. It's a tale of two markets, depending on where you're looking. Then there's the broader economic uncertainty. The Federal Reserve is still playing it safe, trying to balance inflation control while avoiding a full-blown recession. That means that mortgage rates are staying higher than most people would like to see, and the economy is sending mixed signals. Job growth, inflation, and consumer confidence are all pulling the market in different directions. And let's not forget about market sentiment. Buyers and sellers are starting to adjust to this new normal. We're no longer in the days of insane bidding wars and homes selling in 24 hours. Now there's more strategy involved. People are taking their time, people are being more selective, and they're negotiating harder. So you're probably thinking, why in the heck would somebody invest in this chaotic market? Well, because this chaos is where the money's at. A market like this actually creates prime opportunities if you know how to play it. With inventory on the rise, there are more homes available, and that means less competition. Fewer bidding wars means that you can take your time, negotiate better deals, and avoid overpaying for something. It's like the market has gone from a pressure cooker to a slow simmer, giving you room to breathe. Turbulent markets also bring out distressed sales. Think sellers who need to move quickly due to job relocations, financial strains, or other personal reasons. These motivated sellers are often willing to negotiate, giving you the chance to pick up properties below market value. And let's not forget the long-term play. Even with today's ups and downs, real estate remains a tangible asset that holds intrinsic value. Buy smart during a downturn, and when the market rebounds, you're sitting on a nice chunk of equity. Okay, so how do you actually capitalize on this chaos? First off, focus on markets with rising inventory but stable demand. Areas in the Sun Belt and Mountain West, for example, are seeing an influx of homes but still attracting buyers and renters. These are sweet spots where you can find deals without sacrificing long-term growth potential. Next up, consider long-term rentals. With mortgage rates still high, a lot of would-be buyers are sticking to renting. That makes multifamily units and single-family rentals even more attractive. If you can scoop up a property in a market with strong job growth and a rising population, you're setting yourself up for consistent cash flow. Value-add properties are also a goldmine right now. There are homes that need a little TLC, cosmetic fixes, minor renovations that can significantly boost their value. If you got an eye for potential and you know how to manage a renovation, this is where you can really amplify your returns. And let's talk about financing. High rates don't mean game over. There are creative ways to make deals work still. Adjustable rate mortgages, seller financing, and rate buydowns are all options that can make purchases more affordable. It's about structuring deals smartly, not just accepting whatever rate the bank throws at you. Lastly, don't be afraid to diversify geographically. Some markets are still hot, while others are cooling off. By investing in multiple regions, you're spreading out your risk and increasing your chances of finding solid deals. A turbulent market might seem intimidating, but it's actually filled with opportunities for those who know how to look. The key is staying patient. do your research, and not let fear guide your decisions. Focus on the fundamentals, solid properties, strong rental markets, and creative financing. Remember, some of the most successful investors built their empires during tough times, not during boom markets. It's all about thinking long-term, adapting your strategies, and taking calculated risks. So if you're serious about thriving in this market, start doing your homework now. Look for those hidden gems, network with other investors, and keep your eyes on the prize. Because when the market stabilizes, and eventually it will, you'll be the one sitting on a portfolio filled with properties that you scored while others sat on the sidelines. If you're interested in commercial real estate investing and you don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who'd like to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you want to start working with a team today, head over to visioncommercialdevelopment.com and let's chat about new and fun investment opportunities that we could potentially work on together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'll see you next time.